In today's video, we're diving into how you can turn your healthy lifestyle into a business using digital products that reflect what you're already doing in your day-to-day life. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley Robuts, and this channel is where we help creators and service-based entrepreneurs build real online income through digital products, email marketing, and simple systems that scale. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to turn your lifestyle into sellable digital products, specific product ideas based on different wellness niches, tools to help you create and sell them, and how to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Let's get into it. So before we jump into product ideas, let's get one thing straight. You don't need to be a certified nutritionist or fitness coach to help people. You just need lived experience, clarity, and the ability to guide someone through something you've already figured out. If you've healed your gut, build a consistent routine, lost weight in a sustainable way, switched to non-toxic living, mastered meal prepping, created balance with food and fitness, that is real world value, and that's something someone is searching for right now on Google, YouTube, or Instagram. And instead of giving away everything for free or burning yourself out with one-to-one coaching, you can package what you know into simple digital products and let them sell on autopilot. So digital product idea number 1, wellness challenges. So let's start with one of the easiest and most engaging products to sell, which is a wellness challenge. This could be a 5-day sugar detox, a 7-day walking routine, or a 14-day morning reset. You're giving structure and accountability to someone who's ready to make a change but needs guidance. Here's what you can include: daily actions, journal prompts, grocery lists or routines, short educational blurbs. You can create the entire thing inside Canva using templates, and no design skills are needed. Once your challenge is ready, you can sell it with Thrivecart, which handles your checkout page, payment processing, and automatic delivery. If you want to check out Canva or Thrivecart, the links are in the description below, but I'll just quickly walk you through Canva because it's really fun to use and very simple to use. So if you click the link in the description, you can get signed up with a free trial. I personally use the pro plan. You can use the free plan to start off, but once you need more storage and you want more templates, I would definitely recommend upgrading to the pro plan. And with our link, you can get access to a free trial of the pro plan. So if you wanted to make a grocery list, all you would do is type in grocery checklist. And we'll go ahead and search. Here you can see they've got a bunch of different options here. So you can make a grocery list, maybe this one, and maybe you want to do a few meals in a grocery list, so you can customize this template. And then you can even add a page, and maybe this will be grocery list, maybe meal ideas, and you can type out your favorite meal ideas. So maybe the grocery list is something that you use for the challenge. So you could have day 1, they get access to this grocery list and meal ideas. And maybe day 2, you give some more education around how to build a balanced plate. Maybe day 3 is mindset for eating healthy. Okay, so really make it work with what you're passionate about, right? You don't want to just build some generic grocery list and try to sell it. You want to make sure it's something that you're already doing and have a lot of knowledge on. And that doesn't need to come from a course or anything like that. It really can just come from you and your knowledge and what you've gone through, because I guarantee something you used to struggle with, someone out there is struggling with right now. Digital product idea number 2 is meal plans and grocery guides. So if you already eat in a specific way, maybe that's gluten-free, dairy-free, plant-based, high protein, blood sugar balance, there's someone out there who wishes they had your grocery list and weekly plan. You can package your lifestyle into 3-day or 7-day sample meal plans, snack swaps, cheat sheets, blood sugar friendly grocery lists, budget friendly meal prep plans. Again, Canva is your best friend here. Drop in recipes, photos, and structure it into a PDF that looks polished and easy to follow. You can sell these for $9 to $27, depending on how detailed they are. And if you use Thrivecart, you can also add a bonus bump offer. For example, add my 10-minute prep guide for $5. Those small add-ons can increase your revenue without doing more work. So again, if you want to use Canva, you can go ahead and say like a grocery recipe book. I guarantee they have, See, they've got a million different recipe books that you can go off of here. Again, we're not going to be selling this template. You're going to use your own recipes and, whatever it is that you're passionate about, okay? You can change the fonts, of course. You can change the different elements in here, change the photos. If you want to add your own photos, you can completely upload them. If you are upgraded on the Pro plan, you can change the color palette so it works with you and your brand identity. Digital product idea number 3 is habit trackers and journals. So this is perfect if you're into mindset, self-regulation, or creating a healthy routine from the inside out. You could create monthly wellness planners, daily habit trackers, morning journal pages, mood or cycle tracking templates, goal setting systems for new clients or beginners. These kind of tools really sell well not only in your own shop, but also on Etsy or even through email funnels. You could bundle several together and sell them as a wellness starter kit. The key is to keep them practical, something your ideal client will actually print out and use. Again, you can hop into Canva and type in checklist. And there are so many that you can start with and then edit to make work with whatever you would like to sell. Digital product idea number 4, educational ebooks or toolkits. If you've done the deep work, researched supplements, switched to clean beauty, or tried every nervous system technique out there, don't let that go to waste. Package it. You could create something like a beginner's guide to non-toxic living, a nervous system regulation toolkit, a supplement starter guide, a new to lifting handbook for women. This doesn't need to be 100 pages. It just needs to be clear, helpful, and well organized. You can add checklists, personal tips, resources, and a simple call to action at the end. This is where your email list comes in. How to use email marketing to sell your digital products. So once your product is ready, the next step is to make sure people actually find it. And that's where your email becomes essential. If you don't already have one, you can get started with ActiveCampaign, Beehiiv, or Flowdesk. And here's a simple way to set it up. So first you want to make sure you have the digital product created, right? So without going into too much, let's just say, okay, maybe we edit all of this, we make it our own. Great. Now maybe we go into Flowdesk. I personally love Flowdesk because it's simple and easy to use. And now we want to create a new workflow. So maybe we want to make money. Actually, deliver a freebie. We'll customize this. Okay, so now we can see we will add a trigger. So we will have to create a segment. So one of mine, for example, is the mindful habit tracker. So once someone enters in their email, then here we can see, then that will be the trigger for them to receive this email. And with this email, this is where they will go ahead and get the freebie. So we can type in the email right here, whatever it may be. Okay, so you can, again, make this custom to you. Make sure you write an email because, again, even if someone signs up, you still want to make sure that they're actually clicking it and using it so they see the value that you provide, right? So here, this is where we would go ahead and come to click to download, and then we'll update this link right here. So let's just say this is the checklist. We can copy link, copy private link. And then this is where we'll enter it in. So then as soon as they get this email, they'll be able to click and download, and then that link will appear, and then they'll be able to have that for themselves. When someone opts in, you also can create a welcome sequence. So let's just say instead of exiting right after, maybe you want to add a time delay of 1 day and then an email. And then maybe this is where you want to introduce yourself a little bit more, talk about you, why you got started with this. With that email sequence, that sequence introduces them to your paid product. So they get the freebie, and then we warm them up through a few emails. So you could write 5 simple emails, no hard selling, just helpful tips, a few personal stories, and a natural mention of your product as the next step. This way, every time someone joins your list, you have a system that builds trust and sells in the background. So you also can layer in affiliate marketing without being spammy. Here's where you can add another stream of income just by sharing the tools you already use. If you're recommending protein powders or mindset books or workout clothes, you can turn those recommendations into affiliate links. You can mention them in your email sequences, product thank you pages, weekly newsletters, social content. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to feel pushy. It just gives people an easier way to say yes to something you already use and believe in. If you want help setting this up, check out our affiliate marketing mastery course where it breaks it all down step by step. I've left the link in the description below. It's linked down below and it'll walk you through the strategy, content, and setup. Okay, so I know that this all feels exciting, but maybe a little bit overwhelming. So here are a few mindset tips to stay grounded as you start. Number one, you don't need to do it all at once. Pick one idea that feels light and doable right now. Don't try to create 10 products or build a full business overnight. Start small, build slow. That's how you create something sustainable. Number two, choose the format that feels natural. If writing comes easily, make an ebook. If you love structure, create a challenge. If you enjoy journaling, start with templates. Play to your strengths instead of forcing a format that doesn't fit. Number three, focus on being helpful, not perfect. People don't need perfection. They need something that makes their life easier, healthier, or less overwhelmed. That's your job, not to be flawless, but to be useful. 4, use tools that save you time. Canva, Flowdesk, Thrivecart, ActiveCampaign. These are designed to make your life easier. You don't need to custom code a website or build a funnel from scratch. Keep it simple. If you're already living a healthy, intentional lifestyle, you're sitting on a business model. You don't need to overthink it. You just need to package what you know and set up systems to share it. Digital products let you serve more people, earn on your own time, and grow something that's yours, not dependent on the algorithm or a 9-to-5. If you're ready to get started, all the tools I mentioned are linked below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. But if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance because it helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping creators and service-based entrepreneurs build sustainable online income through digital products, email marketing, and simple systems so you can make more money, create more freedom, and scale without burning out. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.